Hi, I'm Sal with Nobl9,
Hi, I'm Chris, a product manager with Nobl9.
and today we're going to be talking to you about release 148. Let's get into it. In this update, we have some really exciting application updates I want to talk to you about. We have some updates to our SLI analyzer, and we introduced a new ability to switch into organizations. Let's hear more about it.
With SLO Analyzer, you can now create SLOs. When you finish your analysis and you're happy with the results, with targets that you set, you can continue by clicking Create SLO. That will launch the SLO wizard, and your set values will be pre-populated. You will be able to add additional information and create your SLO.
Yeah, this is a big quality of life update. In the previous release, we wanted to get SLI Analyzer in the hands of our customers, and this is some feedback that we got, and we were able to add it in really quick. You're doing a bunch of great work in identifying your various targets and thresholds you need to set for your SLO, and now we just made a one-click, easy button push for you to actually go make that SLO a reality.
Another update to the SLI Analyzer is to make it available to a wider audience. Previously, it was available only to admins. Right now, SLI Analyzer is available to anyone who has permissions to a data source. So if you have a data source that you can use it in SLI Analyzer, pull the data out of it, and analyze it to simulate your SLOs.
Yeah, this is another quality of life update for SLI Analyzer. This is a big plus for organizations that don't want to give everybody admin and want to just give people the ability to analyze their SLOs who just have the user role. Looking forward to getting this off into more hands of people and getting additional feedback on how we can improve SLI Analyzer.
With Switch Organizations feature, we basically enable users to use multiple organizations. We've been getting requests for customers to have a safe space for experimentation. That safe space can be an additional organization set up as a sandbox environment.
Yeah, this is, I think, a big update for organizations who want to promote their SLOs. Generally, people previously were just creating individual projects in which, hey, don't count this stuff. This is us experimenting. Don't actually take action on these yet. I think now with the ability to have a separate organization, you're able to separate that out a lot easier. So you can quickly identify which SLOs are still in development and which ones are ready to take action. When you do create a new organization, there are some caveats you need to be aware of. You do need to set up data sources again, and you also need to configure user roles and permissions for that separate organization. If you'd like a separate organization or a sandbox, please reach out to your account team or support, and they should be able to get you started. In this update, we also have some other minor improvements to make you aware of. In SLO details, we added both the name of the data source and the icon of the data source type there for you to see. We also made some updates to annotations. You can see here, previously you had just the regular old plain annotation, and now we added for system annotations some additional icons there. If you notice, the plus sign means that there's multiple annotations there, really tightly packed together. We've also made a change to how projects and services are listed in the UI. You can see this evidently on our catalog. They should now be listed alphabetically. Likewise, also when you go to filter SLOs, you should see your projects and labels also being sorted alphabetically. And that's all we have for this release. Let's slow.
Thank you. Go SLO.